Excuse me, sir. May I ask you some question?
Yes, of course.
What's your name?
My name is Parvez Halwadar. You call me Parvez.
Okay. I'm Maruf Hussain. You call me Maruf. Do you prefer studying alone or with other?
I prefer study alone because when I study alone, that time read attentively. That's it.
What subject are you most interested in?
I'm most interested in accounting. It's also my major subject.
All right. Do you think online learning is effective?
Yes, of course. Online learning is effective because there are so many videos and apps for learning. That's why.
Okay, all right. How do you usually prepare for exams?
I always prepare before exam. I read more and more and doing hard work. Then I prepare.
All right. What are the advantages and disadvantages for your study method?
You know that my study method is study alone. In study alone, I read attentively, but the disadvantage is when we make group, then we know the another things like weather or something, but in alone study, it's not possible.
All right. Yeah. Do you use any specific tools or app for your study?
Yes, of course. I use ChatGPT, English Bangla Dictionary for learning English.
Oh, okay. What are your future study plans?
My future study plan is going to abroad and taking my higher study.
Okay. Do you think it is important to have a balance between studying and leisure?
Yes, of course. So if you don't balance in study or leisure, then you don't have enough time to study or you don't make yourself prepare.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Touch you again another day.